Here's a quick video for anybody who's having a clicking noise coming from the back of their motor. This is on a 2016 Chevy Cruze, so specific to that vehicle. I've got 150,000 miles on this car now, but it's been doing this for a long time. It does have a code, but it's not pertaining to this issue. But if your car was clicking a bunch, this happened to be clicking around the back, and I felt this here, the purge valve solenoid, and that was what was making that ticking noise. And it was really fast repetitive ticking. And I just swapped this out, and it was quick. Here's the part, the Bosch piece. I went ahead and got the GM part, and it was a minute, 2 minute unplug, plug in. But if you have that ticking noise, grab a hold of that purge valve solenoid and see if that's maybe where your noise is coming from. This car has some noisy lifters too, but that's not what the issue happened to be on this one. Loud ticking behind Chevy Cruze 1.8 motor. Check out the purge valve solenoid.